Welcome to Gasy Development Talk with Renee right now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Gasy Development Talk. My name's Renee. Now you are watching the second episode of G2T because for the first time when we watched this program, that was the first episode. And during that time, we have seen that education is very important in Madagascar. We have seen that it plays an important role for our future lives. But now I want to bring a total different topic, which is about insecurity. Because you and I have concern about this problem because now I think over the last few years now that we have been struggling, against, about this insecurity in Madagascar. This is what we are going to watch today for this next episode of G2T. Insecurity reigns in Madagascar today because when you watch TV or read a newspaper, what you can see is all about problems, but people have been attacked, robbed, and raped. These are a big problem today in Madagascar. What I want to bring here today, I want you to understand exactly what's going on. And that's the reason why we're going to watch this program, a little investigation that we have done. We have just seen who the Dahalo is. But don't forget, there is another one. Stealing zebu is considered as a custom in their lives, in some tribes. So let's follow that now. I think you guys want to know exactly what's going on in Madagascar, especially about the story of Dahalo. You know very well that Dahalo reigns today. But I want to explain to you, I want to tailor the story of Dahalo. For example, the day before yesterday, I read the newspaper and I saw the statistic that the ministry has given. There are about 4 militaries, 12 civils, and 77 Dahalo have been dead up till now. This is the cause of the work of Dahalo in the south of Madagascar, because you know very well that those acts, I'm telling you, are concentrated in the south of Madagascar. But I think you and I know that the problem concerns all of us, and not only the ministry, not only the government, but everybody in Madagascar. Because I think I feel sorry for those people who have who are the victims in the south of Madagascar. So what I want to say is that we need to try to figure it out. I just try to give you information, but maybe you who speak English can give the advice. I don't know. I think we need to find a solution for this. But before that, let me give you a little story of one Dahalo with his gangs in Madagascar that happened here 2 years ago. So let's follow that now.
Dahalo, or Malasso, has been existing for a long time, and this act is also considered as a custom in some tribes. Why? Because if you want to get married with one of their daughters, you must be able to steal zebu before you can bring her away. If you win, I mean if you can bring some Zebu home with their brothers, the brother of the girl, you will welcome to the family, because at this time the girl is yours. So that's the story if you want to become a Malasso. Let me tell you a Dahalo story that you know very well. Have you heard about Remenabila? Because if so, you should know how bad the Dahalo is. Remenabila was a Dahalo leader who had his gangs in the south of Madagascar. Precisely, most of the Dahalo are seen in the province of Tuliar and Finaratsua. So, Remenabila was in Tuliar or Andui. He actually wiped out most of the Zebu in the south of Madagascar. That's to say, he killed, raped, robbed, and stole what he saw along his path. Everyone was threatened, as well as the militaries. Nobody could stand in front of him and his gangs. Many people suffered and became poor in one day, and they stole and robbed anything. That's why they become poor as quickly as possible. So that was a little story about Remenabila to attract our mind that the Dahalo, they are very bad.
What I'm worrying about is the consequences caused by the act of the Dahalo that devastate the south of Madagascar. That means from Finaratua going down to the province of Tuliar, especially in Anjui. People are suffering right now. They live, in terror. They live with, they are frightened by those terrorists. So we need to find out exactly the impact, the consequences, to know what solution to propose. Because if we don't try to find out that, I think we are in the dark, and we need to find out them. I think you know very well that many people live in the countryside, and because of the insecurity, they cannot live there anymore. They intend to live in town to find, something to do. So I think that's one of the consequences. So let's see that now.
And security has a big impact on the Malagasy people because we know that it provokes what's so-called rural exodus. Most of the villagers are the victim of it, but they are the farmers who supply us food. Those urban population depend on the peasant because 90% of the Malagasy people live in rural areas and only 10% who live in urban area. And in the 10%, only 5% of us who work and 5% don't work. So, a lack of security, we will be hungry because they move out of their village to live in town, hoping a better and safer life. A lack of security, the number of tourists decrease, so that will prevent our economy from growing. So don't forget there are lots of impact of having insecurity in Madagascar. But don't forget, we have a solution for this.
You may think that you're safe because you live in big town like Antananarivo or around 5 provinces, but I'm telling you, you are not safe at all because you can be the victim. You can be the next victim of theft, murder, and rape. But cross your finger because we don't want to be in that situation because this is very bad. But it happens around Madagascar. So what I want to say is this: one of the most important things to think about is the solution that we need all to find out together. If not, it's not going to work. Because I can see that the government has done something, especially the Minister of Interior. They try to, limit people who go out at night. They try to use like a curfew, which means that prevent you from going out very late. This is very good. And, in the community, people also try to protect themselves between them in the area and the community. This is very important. So that's why we need to find out exactly the best solution to get rid of the insecurity in Madagascar.
What about the life in Tana? I think it's good to live in Tana in terms of anything you need because you can find them all here. But apart from the security, because I think that insecurity makes Tana unsafe to live. As you know very well that every day there are always victims of robbery, theft, rape, and murder. That's very scary. However, our president has promised us to reestablish the security around Madagascar to make us a very good country. Because I think the security is the key of development. So let's work together to eliminate the bad people or try to push the bad people away. Because we want development.
We have just discovered that insecurity exists in Madagascar, not only in the countryside but also in town, like Antananarivo, in 5 provinces. And we have a problem to resolve. We are all victims. Maybe not today, not tomorrow, and not forever. I don't hope that to happen to myself. And I think also we have discovered also that the impacts and the consequences, which has totally effect on each of us. And this is a big problem because we're going to suffer from this. We're going to be weak from this thing. And I think we need to find a way to resolve the problem. And I have also said the solution, what should be done. And I think you're still thinking about that right now, that we need to find out exactly what solution to propose and what we should do together, working together with the ministry, with the government, because I think they have been working hard now over the few months here in Madagascar, trying to reestablish the security, because I think it's the key of development. And don't forget, this is the target of Gasy Development Talk. We want you to participate. I don't want you to be afraid. I want you to share exactly what you have to propose to resolve the problem, because this is, I think it's tough. We cannot stand this. So I think that's all I can tell you for now concerning about the security in Madagascar. So I want you to really think about this, but don't hesitate to give us what you know to eliminate this, to get rid of this thing, because I think we are going deeper, about this problem. This is GDT Gasy Development Talk. My name is Rene Fulgence. Now you're coming to the next part, which is the English teaching program. What I mean is that we are going to learn English together, because I think that's one of the advantages from watching this program. You're going to be able to speak English sooner or later if you always follow this program. And we're going to watch that later. But, to improve the program, we always think about you who watch, because I know that some of you are already good in English. So we try to give you another program which is called Vocabs of the Day. Vocabs of the Day. We're going to watch that after the English course. So let's do that. Here we go. Let's learn English. Anisan'ny tombotsoanao zao rehefa manaraka ny GDT ianao, azadiny fa zay mieritreritra mombanao foana rehefa manaraka izao programme zao anao. Ka noho izany tamin'ny herinandrotsika dia efa nahita fampianarana teny anglisy ny fototra tanteraka tany amin'ny salutation na hoe greetings, fiarabana. Efa hitantsika ny antsoina hoe good morning, efa hitantsika ny hoe good afternoon, good evening, hi, hello. Ary tsika any aloha tsindriky kely ny eto hoe hi, dia rehefa miteny ianao hi, dia valinao hi, hello, valinao hi. Zay aloha no matetika fanao. Efa hitantsika ren, how are you doing? Dia mamaly ianao hoe I'm good. What about you? I'm good. What about you? Efa hitantsika zay tamin'ny herinandro, ary mbola tsy mampaninona na maneho an'izany eto amin'ny écran amin'izao fotoana izao. Ireo ny résumé ny lesson-tsika. Fa hanao lesona hafa tsika. Raha tamin'ireny fotoana ireny tsika manontany ny fahasalamana dia miteny salama tsara fa misaotra. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. Fa amin'izao ankehitriny izao tsika tsy hiteny hoe salama fa tsy salama indray, satria mety fotoana, misy ny fotoana tsy mahasalama anao zany. Dia ny fiteny zay amin'ny teny anglisy dia hitanao hoe tsara zany amin'izao fotoana izao hoe raha notanina ianao hoe how are you doing? Io aloha le voalohany. How are you doing? Dia rehefa avy eo anao mamaly rehefa salama ao zany ianao miteny hoe I'm good. Fa ny tena tiako atongavana dia zao hoe rehefa tsy salama ianao dia zao ny fiteny I'm not good. Io hitanao tsara eo, I'm not good. Ety moa zany dikany amin'ny français, io ny dikany amin'ny teny gasy. I'm not good. Zany hoe le good zany asinao fotsiny ina not. Tsika tsy miteny hoe not fa not. I'm not good. Mbola azo ilazana azy koa dia hoe I'm not fine. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. Tsy salama. Je ne vais pas bien aujourd'hui. I'm not fine today. I am not fine today. Nefa mbola azo ilazana azy ihany koa hoe I'm feeling bad now. I'm feeling bad now. Averiko azy zany izy. Averiko zany izy. Hoe averinary amin'ny conversation zany hoe good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm good. What about you? I'm not good today. I'm not good today. Azadiny tsara fa ny intonation-nao na ny lantom-peonao maneho koa hoe tsy salama ianao. Fa tsy hoe falifaly fotsiny anao nefa tsy salama zao. Ka noho izany dia tsy maintsy apetrakinao hoe l'intonation zany tokony ho hita ao anatin'izay. I'm not good today. Azadino zay zavatra zay. Ka noho izany rehefa misy ny tsy fahasalaman'ny namanao dia miteny anao hoe I'm sorry. Get well soon. I'm sorry. Get well soon. Zany hoe miala tsiny ianao satria tsy salama ny namanao dia mirary fahasalamana ho azy ianao. Soigne-toi bien. Je suis vraiment désolé. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Get well soon. Zay aloha zany amin'ny tsy fahasalamana. Nefa tsy janona eo tsika. Fa mbola tohizantsika amin'ny fanontaniana vaovao. Demande des nouvelles. Asking the news. Asking the news. Fanontaniana vaovao. Avy dia hitanao tsara fa nasiko A foana moa zany le izy dia fa nasiko B ihany koa. Dia hitanao tsara hoe what's new? What's new? Synonyme mitovy hevitra aminy what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Averiko indray mandeha what's new? What's new? Dia mitovy hevitra aminy what's up? Zay midika amin'ny teny français reto hitanao reto ny dikany amin'ny teny français, io ny dikany amin'ny teny gasy, ary dikan'izay amin'ny teny gasy moa inona vaovao code 9 en français. What's new? Dia mamaly ianao hoe nothing special. Nothing special. Tiany valiny. Nothing special. Io dikany amin'ny teny gasy, io dikany amin'ny teny français. Nothing special. Nothing much. Nothing special. Nothing much. Averiko indray mandeha. Dikany amin'ny teny gasy, tsy misy vaovao. Rehefa nontaniana anao hoe what's up? Nothing special. What about you? Azadino foana amin'ny teny hoe ary ianao koa. Et de votre côté. Tsy azonao adino zay hoe io dikany amin'ny français hoe manao ana koa ny aminao ary. Inona vaovao ihany aminao inona. Zay koa zany ny tsy maintsy anteny. Dia mitovy amin'izay ihany ny valiny hoe nothing special. Nothing special. Fa raha misy matetika zany ny vazaha rehefa nontanianao hoe tsisy vaovao dia miteny izy hoe tsisy vaovao fa mangatsiaka ny andro androany. Rieradreraka zany dia ny fitenen'izay asehoko eto amin'izao fotoana izao hoe ny fitenen'izay dia hoe nothing special but I am tired. Nothing special but I am tired. Ny fomba fianarana azy koa dia ampitsahiviko anao hoe vakio miadana olo izy. Dia rehefa avy eo accélérénao rehefa avy eo. Zany hoe atombonao lay ny fitesin'le izy zany hoe nothing special. Dia rehefa avy eo miteny anao nothing special. Nothing special. But I am tired. But I am tired. But I am tired. Aperako ary ny famakiana azy. Nothing special but I'm tired. Tsisy vaovao fa reradraraka fotsiny aho. Averiko indray mandeha. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm good. And you? I'm not good today. I'm sorry to hear that. So what's up? Nothing special. What about you? Nothing special but I'm tired. Nothing much but I'm tired. Zay zany resumen'izy rehetrarehetra eo. Dia azadino tsara nefa. Atokaingana amin'izay izy tena hoe tena le miteny sala amin'olona miteny rehetrarehetra. Atokaingana be le izy tsy jery an'ity tsony aho fa nareo avy hatrany manaraka azy. Hey, good morning, man. Good morning. How are you doing? Well, I'm good. What's up? Nothing special, but I'm very tired now. What about you? Nothing much, but I'm waiting for my friend now. Zay ny fampianarana anglais zay omeko anareo androany aloha fa mino fa entina anampina anareo zany mbola tsy de tiako aloha zany miaccélérer-n'le izy satria mbola eo mbola marefirefy daholo tsika rehetrarehetra fa any alohaloany dia omeko lesona bebe kokoa anareo fa azadino fa ho anao zay mitady fampianarana teny anglisy azadino fa ny spoken English course ny manome an'izao cours zao zahay mihitsy no mampianatra amin'ny spoken English course aza misalasala anao tonga any aminay any am-pefoloa raty anglais. Thank you very much for watching this spoken English course that you've just followed here, and don't forget, English is good. Mialatsiny aloha somary teny gasy kely aho eto araka ny teniko tamin'ny voalohany teo talohan'le fampianarana teny anglisy dia hoe misy vocabulaire ihany koa omenan'ireo olona fa mahay mino fa mahatsara anao ihany koa zany ampitombonao mety efa hainao le izy na mety mbola tsy hainao le izy fa azadino fa mieritreritra natsarana foana an'izao programme zao zahay dia misy nantsona hoe vocabs of the day. Vocabs of the day. Ny vocabs of the day dia nampinanareo zay efa mahay anglais iza teo. Akehitriny ary za somary teny anglais satria ny antony dia zao nataonao efa mahay indray aloha zany ty vocabulaire ty. Okay, now I have just said that in the program that we have also a special vocabularies, special vocabularies for those of you who already speak English. So we call it vocabs of the day. And we will try to give you many different kinds of vocabularies. For example, idioms, phrasal verbs and adjectives. So today I'm going to give you an American idiom. an American idiom. As you can see on the screen, here, to have a bigger fish to fry. To have a bigger fish to fry. Which means in English, the synonym is to be busy, to have a very important thing to do. To have a very important to do. Which means in French, you can see here in French, I'm not going to read it in French. You can see in the French what it means. But I want you to know that to have a bigger fish to fry means to be busy. So let's read the example. Okay, here's the example. Now I'm going to show you the example. I'm sorry for yesterday because I had the bigger fish to fry. That's why I didn't come. I'm sorry for yesterday. I had a bigger fish to fry. That's why I didn't come. That is the example. I think you understand what I really wanted to say just now. So that's all about the vocabs of the day. I think you're happy to watch that, to see those words. But don't forget, you must improve your English all the time if you really want to be very good in English. So that's our target, Gasy Development Talk. We can do nothing except to push you to learn English because we cannot avoid English anymore. So that's all for today.
Gasy Development Talk on Dreaming.
Okay, you have just followed Gasy Development Talk. I mean, our topic was insecurity, and we have just seen exactly the importance of security, which we want in Madagascar. Don't forget, our target here in Gasy Development Talk is to help you, to develop, because I like development. That's why I do this. It's not because I'm good, but, I like to develop. I know that I'm going to get better and better. So if you guys want to participate in this program, don't hesitate. Don't be afraid. We can do something for you, to share to your friends and share to anybody. Because I know, I'm telling you that somebody else is watching this program right now, even on YouTube. You can see that on YouTube. And of course that we have also a Facebook page. You can follow us on Facebook. If you guys want something, I don't know, something that you want to propose, don't hesitate. Just feel free to call us. You have our number, as you can see on the screen. You can call us at any time to bring a new subject, or especially, for example, we tried to talk about insecurity. Don't hesitate to bring a solution to present here, because next time, for the next episode, we are going to have some guests, to talk about a specific topic. I will tell you exactly that topic on Facebook, because I think you need to be ready to watch the program. So, like I always say, that if you don't try, we cannot do anything. We need to try first. Don't just criticize, but please try and let's work together. And this is the target of development. And we try to develop. I try to push you to speak English because I know that English is very important. And our target is to teach you English and to help you again and again without being tired. So thank you very much for watching this program. Don't forget for the next program by next Saturday at 5:30. Don't forget, Gasy Development Talk on Dreaming at 5:30. Thank you very much for watching. My name is René Fulgence. This is GDD.
Gasy Development Talk on Dreaming.